Hey guys, my name is Sarah. I'm a senior studying nuclear engineering, and today I'm just going to take you through my day and kind of show you what it's like to manage your freshman year. So first we're going to go see an engineering fundamentals lecture, so let's go.
The models are going to be very different than each other. So we are now going to be talking about oscillatory motion. So we're going to start today talking about simple harmonic motion.
So that was engineering fundamentals lecture. Engineering fundamentals is kind of like your first course to get you started into the College of Engineering. So engineering fundamentals is a physics-based course, but you're kind of looking at it from an engineering point of view. So there's two different engineering fundamentals. There's standard and honors. So standard is going to be kind of getting your basic concepts down. It's going to be a larger lecture of about 500 to 600 students with 25-person labs. But then there's honors, which is going to be a little more challenging, a little more coursework, but it is a smaller lecture size of about 60 students with that 25-person lab. So it's a little more intimate, which makes those challenging concepts a little easier to learn. They're both very teamwork and very project-based, which is what engineering is all about. So either way, either route you take is a great way to get started into your career as an engineer.
So now it's time to have some real talk, and let me give you some advice. Because freshman year, going into engineering, it's hard. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's going to be some work and it's going to be challenging, but having the right people and the right things to do make it so manageable and so doable. So I made tons of friends through living in the engineering LLC, the living and learning community, and you live with all engineering majors on your floor, and that was a way for us to study together, to do homework, and to just kind of get through the first year of engineering. And so even though we're seniors now, we're still best friends, and so just kind of having that peer group to get through engineering has been such a great experience, and also getting involved with extracurricular activities. So I'm a part of Boss Dance Company, and so I have dance rehearsal throughout the week, and it's a good way to let off steam and kind of get my creative side out there, and I wouldn't have been able to get through these 4 years without having something like that to do. So my advice is be around good people, do what you love to do, get involved in any way, because it's going to be hard if you're just doing school for the next 4 years. So I think it'll be great, and if you do these things, the next 4 years are going to be amazing.
So we're in the nuclear engineering lounge. If you're a nuclear engineering student, this is somewhere where you can go and study and hang out with friends and just kind of chill throughout the day if you have a break or something like that. So it's where I kind of spend most of my time, where I do my studying. So yeah, it's a great place. Hey guys, so now we're looking at the Math Tutorial Center. It's a great resource that we have on campus, and this is Sarah too, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what we do here.
So the Math Tutorial Center is an amazing resource if you ever have any questions about math. It's open from 9 to 5 every day, and it's staffed by upperclassmen and graduate students. So sometimes I just can't make it to office hours because I have another class going on, so the Math Tutorial Center is great to come and get help for that. It's not the only tutoring help that we have here. There's also one for chemistry, there's a programming clinic, there's a writing clinic. I think they have something for biology as well, so there's all sorts of places you can go if you need help with your classes.
And I always need help, so I always go. So now we're in lab. The students are doing a simple harmonic motion lab. So this is what we learned about in lecture, and now they're actually taking those theories that they learned in lecture and they are applying it to real world situations. So we're with a group and they're gonna tell us a little bit about what we're actually doing. So Caleb, do you wanna tell us?
Yeah, okay, so basically this lab is going over simple harmonic motion in two forms, with a pendulum as well as an oscillating spring. The spring's got a mass attached to the end of it. We're going to be measuring the spring constant by calculating the change in position and the change in force. And then we have the...
Yeah, here we have a mass at the end of a fishing line to use as a simple pendulum, and here's a photo gate, and so it will read the time between each time the pendulum passes through its gate, and so then we can use that to find the period of the simple harmonic motion of the pendulum, and then we're going to try a different mass and see if mass affects the period of the pendulum.
Yeah, so do you guys like lab?
Yeah, I think it's a really good way to apply what we learned in lecture.
Hey, so now I'm gonna stop by a professor's office and ask some questions. Hey, Dr. Faber.
Hey, Sarah.
I have a question about 2.1 homework. Can I come by your office hours next week sometime?
Yeah, sure. Or if you have time now, we can look at it now.
Okay, yeah, that's great. Let me get my stuff.
Perfect.
Hey guys, thanks for spending the day with me. I gotta go to dance, but I hope to see you next year on Rocky Top. Go Vols!